Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a compact kitchen game changer that promises to simplify your daily meal preparation. If you live in a dorm, work in an office with limited space, or just want a portable solution for your travels, this electric cooker might just be the device you have been waiting for. Let us start with the core of this device. It is a 2-liter electric pot that features a high-quality ceramic glaze non-stick interior. Unlike some cheaper alternatives on the market, this coating is designed to be free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOS, and PFOS. This is a huge win for those who are health conscious and want to avoid worrying about toxic leaching at high temperatures. Performance-wise, this unit is quite versatile. It offers dual power regulation. You have a 350-watt setting, which is perfect for simmering pasta, making ramen, or gently cooking eggs. When you need more intensity for searing a steak, simmering a hearty soup, or getting a hot pot boiling quickly, you can kick it up to the 700-watt mode. This flexibility is what makes it a genuine multifunctional cooker rather than just a simple water heater. One of the standout features here is the included steamer attachment. The design allows you to cook a base meal in the pot while simultaneously steaming vegetables or dumplings on top. This is incredibly efficient, especially when you are working with a limited footprint. The steamer basket itself is made from food-grade ABS material, which is rated to handle steam heat without warping or releasing any unwanted substances. Design-wise, the unit is impressively portable. It weighs only 2.6 pounds and measures about 9.8 by 8.5 by 5.2 inches. Because the power cord is detachable, you can easily toss this into a bag for camping trips or move it between your office desk and your home kitchen without a mess of tangled cables. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the non-stick ceramic surface makes cleanup a breeze. Most of the time, a simple rinse with water and a soft sponge is all you need to get it looking brand new. The safety features, including overheat protection, give you peace of mind during longer cooking sessions. The main thing to keep in mind, and this is a pro tip for longevity, is to always use a soft scouring pad. Because it is a ceramic coating, harsh metal scrubbers will eventually scratch the surface and ruin the non-stick properties. Just treat it with a little care and it will serve you well for a long time. In terms of support, the company provides a 30-day refund policy and a 1-year warranty, which adds a nice layer of confidence to your purchase. To wrap things up, this electric steamer is a fantastic, well-thought-out piece of kit for anyone who needs to cook healthy meals in a compact space. It is simple, effective, and very easy to live with. If you want to check the current pricing or grab one for your own kitchen setup, you can find all the details you need at the link below. Link in the description.